Hello everyone. Today we are making...
Excuse you. Hello everybody, and today, first before I go any farther, welcome to KEE'S. Guys, today we are dropping another cooking video. We're making creamy garlic chicken with mashed potatoes. We use the instant mashed potatoes, y'all. Y'all know how to make instant mashed potatoes. So we have, how many? We have 7 thighs. We have 7 thighs. We have a half an onion. We have chicken broth, heavy whipping cream. We have kales, greens. Y'all, if y'all never cooked kale greens like you would your collard greens, you gotta do it because it's good. We have minced garlic, black pepper, extra olive oil. We have thyme leaves. We have onion powder, Montreal season, paprika, rosemary, and basil. So we're going to season both sides of this meat, and we're going to sear it both sides, and then we're going to put this in the oven. You know what? Let me just show y'all what I'm going to do. So guys, we're going to go in with our black pepper. And I don't have olive oil on this chicken. Okay, we're gonna go in with our onion powder. I'm sorry, Kiara.
That's okay. I forgot again.
And guys, this is onion powder. Kiara wanna sneeze. So now we're gonna go in with our rosemary. Look like we out of rosemary, but we gonna put. We're gonna try to get as much as we can out here, but it's not a lot coming out. I gotta be honest. Come on, rosemary. Hopefully by the time I put it on the other side, it'll come out. So now we're gonna go in with our basil. Okay. And it smells so good, guys. It really does.
It does.
We're gonna go in with our paprika, however Kiara pronounce it.
You know, like Blue's Clues. The friend. They have a look here. Salt, pepper, paprika.
Now we're gonna put in our Montreal chicken seasoning. Last but certainly not least, our thyme. Open that up too high. Okay. And then we're gonna flip this meat over and we're going to season it the same way. So we turn it over. And only a few pieces of this chicken actually have skin on it. So okay guys, we're gonna go back in with our thyme on this side. Maybe it was going on there, we couldn't see it, y'all. I don't know. Okay, make sure we have enough. We're gonna go in with our Montreal seasoning. Paprika, we're gonna start on that side. And when I tell y'all this smells so good, oh my goodness, it smells really good, guys. We're gonna go in with our rosemary. It's in there, I don't know why it's not coming out, but oh well. We're gonna go in with our black pepper.
Why does it smell this good?
We're gonna go in with our onion powder. And sometime I'll go over it to make sure, and then we're gonna go in our basil leaves. And when we cook the onions, we're gonna put that garlic in there. Okay, so now I'm gonna take you guys, I'm gonna put some olive oil in this pan, and I'll bring you guys back in a sec. Okay guys, so we're going in with our olive oil. We're not gonna get carried away, but we're gonna sear this, and we need enough oil. Pops must be cutting the grass. Okay. So guys, I said I was gonna make mashed potatoes with this, but I don't know. It depends on, a lot of times I'll start cooking and totally forget what I said. So we're gonna go in with our chicken. Hopefully, let me see. We're gonna go in with our chicken. And if you're cooking chicken that has skin on it, put it face down. Hopefully we'll be able to get all this chicken in here. If not, we're going to change the pan. And I think we're going to have to change the pan. Yeah, we're going to have to change the pans, you guys. So we're just going to let this brown on this side. So when I get ready to flip it over, I'll bring you guys back. You only cook it for like 3 minutes, and then we're going to flip it back over for 3 minutes. You know what? Just keep watching. Okay guys, so we're going to flip the chicken over now. And this have to go in the oven for 45 minutes, so I need some more tongs. It's so hard to grip this chicken.
I thought you were going to say so low.
Oh, and it smells so good in here. Y'all have no idea. Yeah, these are tongs that had it. So we're going to let this sear for 3 minutes, and I'll bring you guys back. Okay guys, so as you can see, my chicken is ready. And what we're going to do, I'm just going to put it off to the side in this pan, because now we're getting ready to make our gravy for this. So all this good flavor is not going to go to waste, guys. Oops. Yeah, I need some more tongs. They acting up on me. It's hard to even. Okay, cool. So what we're going to do, I'm going to pour out a little, only a little of this juice, because this is good flavor. And I'm going to put it in once I get ready to put it in the oven. So I'm going to bring you guys back in 1 sec. Okay guys, so now we're getting ready to add in our onions. We're going to brown these onions. We're going to go in with our garlic, our minced garlic. So y'all know I love garlic. And guess what? It's creamy garlic chicken, so we gotta use the garlic. So to this, we're going to stir this up. We're going to let these onions brown. If you want to add bell peppers, you can. If you want to add red peppers, you can do all that. So if you guys remember, I poured some of the oil out. And I told you I was going to put it back in there. And if you want to, you can add some butter in here. But we're going to let this cook. And when I tell you my kitchen smells amazing, it smells so good. It really does. We're gonna make sure that we get all the flavor we want. We're going to go in with just a little. Don't get all upset, but we're gonna put just a little Lipton onion mix in here. Cause I told y'all Lipton onion mix take your food to a whole nother level. And if you have some bouillon cubes, you can use a bouillon or two. And that's only a sprinkle, so calm down. Oh yeah. Y'all know the key is very quiet.
Yep.
Be quiet.
I'm concentrating.
You gonna cook this for your boo thing?
Yep.
Right. Okay guys, so to this we're going to go in with some flour. Use about, I would say about 2 to 3 tablespoons, but I'm using a fork, so I've made this a few times, so y'all know how it is. So I'll say it's about 3 tablespoons easy. And now y'all looking, y'all like, okay, cinnamon, I see you. Y'all see me? And guess what we're getting ready to do now?
Add water.
What?
We gonna do what?
I don't know.
We're going in with our chicken broth. You say add what?
That's why you cook.
You say add what?
Add chicken broth.
So we gotta stir that around, guys. Because we need all of that flavor.
The heck did I just look?
And now because I'm cooking for a family of 4, guess what I'm gonna do?
What?
Guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go in with some more chicken broth.
Oh.
Now I'm gonna see if you guys are paying attention. Okay. Now, y'all seen those kale greens sitting off to the side. Do y'all remember that?
Mm-hmm.
Y'all don't remember? Shame on you for not remembering. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna take some of these stems off of these kale greens. And this is about 2 or 3 leaves. We're gonna put our kale greens in here. Y'all know sometime, and this is when you turn your pan down. Let it simmer. You're not in a rush. You are not in a rush. So I'm just cutting some up. I'm not cutting them up real fine. I'm just cutting a little of the greens up in here. And if you are a beginner's cook, start off with stuff that's going to have you to use your oven a lot. You know what I'm saying? Use the oven. Because when you use your oven, guess what? It's very hard to burn certain things. It really is. Now, what are we getting ready to do now, Key?
Add chicken broth?
No.
Let it cook down?
It has to go in the oven, so it's going to cook down anyway.
Pour it over the chicken.
Wow.
Put the chicken in there.
We're going to go in with our heavy whipping cream, guys.
That's what I was going to say next.
Oh, Key don't be paying attention.
I was just about to say that. Yeah.
when I tell you this is good, it's good. We're going to pour this over our chicken thighs, and we're going to put this in the oven for 45 minutes. So we're going to go over to the pan, and we're just going to pour this, and we're going to let this cook off. Can you see that? And all those husbands, and if it's a guys out there watching me and you're cooking for your wife, all those husbands and wives are going to love me. They're gonna say, cinnamon, thank you. So we're gonna put this in the oven at 375 degrees, and I will bring you guys back. Guys, what was I possibly thinking? Y'all know we had all that good juice. We gotta pour that juice over this too. Now I'll see you guys in 45 minutes. Okay guys, so I'm getting ready to take it out. I thought the camera was recording. I put some Parmesan cheese on here. So that's the only thing that was, oh yeah. Looks delicious, and you can see the drippings that I poured over it at the very end.
Yes, I can.
You said what?
I can see it. Yeah.
You're a little mess. So I'm gonna get a plate, and I'm going to put some. I'm gonna put me some mashed potatoes on here. And I'm going to scoop some of them on this plate. And we're going to grab us some of this chicken. Like the old people say. And look at all that good gravy. Oh, look at that.
Let me see also.
Oh my goodness. Oh, it's got a cheese for you. Yeah. You said cheese? So get you some Parmesan cheese, guys. Oh yeah. And we're gonna pour some of this good gravy over these mashed potatoes. Cause those kale greens, it is very, all the sauce is good. Y'all, this is, oh my goodness. And Key just in there. I need to get another spoon though. When I cook this, guys, everybody be standing around. So I'm going to sit this off to the side so my camera woman can get her some good pictures. You going to fork? So I'm going to sit down, guys, so she can get the angle. So guys, this is my chicken. This is not just any old dry baked chicken. Guys, this have kale greens in it. It has Parmesan cheese. Y'all seen all the good flavor I put on this chicken, so please guys try this. And this is my version of creamy garlic baked chicken. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you haven't already checked out our other channels, go and check out those channels and thumbs it up and say, you know what mama said to me, you send me over here, I'm here. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay safe, stay blessed, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.